Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Sonos ONE speaker. It's real easy to do. You might want to do this if you're having any kind of connection issues, like the speaker won't stay connected, it won't connect to Wi-Fi, it keeps disconnecting, or if there's problems with the sound. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is come to the back of our speaker, and you can see we have the number 3, which is actually underneath. It's where the speaker plugs in, the power plugs in. We can go ahead and unplug it there, or if you'd rather, you can just unplug it from the wall or wherever we've got it plugged in. Just cut power to it. And then we're going to come in and button number 1, which is the join button. We're just going to press and hold that join button, and we're going to continue to press it while we restore power to the speaker. You'll notice that the little indicator light will start to blink white. We're going to continue to hold button number 1 until that blinking light turns orange-reddish, at which point we can let go and allow the speaker to complete its reset process. Once that reset has been completed, it will blink green and your speaker is good to go like new. You can connect it to whatever you want.